One minute. Media
Sir, so finally, sir, I am here. But I have to admire what you built. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Are no better than our speed, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
भैया क्लियर दो
CEO of RTG, Young Secretary, our Solan Industry Secretary, also Manjil Events Project, my Principal Secretary, Satish Chandra, and they already also I am working, but they should not say, sir.
Sir, this is the RPG center, sir, where in fact the around 10 million coming in. In this IoT device include mobiles, scanners, sir, tablets. Then we give a very brief outline of the presentation. And when the presentation is going on here, sir, we'll show certain perspectives, which are real time. So, sir, the vision, sir, I think it's sir, for you to explain.
Mukesh ji, we are very clear. Education, it is not scientific. Even Andhra people, we are having a problem. Before independence, we were in Madras presidency. From there, Potty Sriramulu lost his life. Then we were divided because of 3 years. 3 years we stayed. From then on, 60 years we spent in Hyderabad. This time we came. And we have done very well, Cyberabad city, everything we developed. We made it a knowledge economy. Then ultimately, we have come here with debt on our head, no asset, state in the country, with happiness at the index, not only economic index. 2050 we will be the best district. If you see our vision, sir, primary sector, and also if you see here, social empowerment, and also service sector, and also infrastructure. 5 grids, sir. At the same time, now we are going for second, we want to reduce power charges. Energy rates we are going to reduce with solar and wind, all these things. And also, my secretaries here, they are working in the direction. Gas, we are, every water will be tested. So that from here, we can test water, what they are releasing. Not only the country, in the world. I know everything we are building. Single architecture. This is the first of its kind. Even some other countries, they have gone only some standalone systems. Now we are integrating everything. Even Ernest and then they are working with us. I want to bring everything single platform. Then anyway, Land Hub is there, People's Hub is there, even financial management system, e-file, everything. Comprehensive management system I bring. If I bring this, and then I will, in course of time, I will explain to you. Agriculture, everything. So this is where IoT I am going in everything. Groundwater. Today, groundwater I can monitor what is the level. Around 11 point, what is the today? If you see sir here, these are all normal and deficit, all these things. Real time I can monitor. I am very happy because of the system. Last month this time, 13.5% deficit of rainfall. I am able to grow 25.6% growth rate agriculture. With stats, if you see that all street lights are sensor based. Red lights are not functioning, all others are functioning. We can have real time service standards. All urban total are online, rural also we are going with LED bulbs, this is sensors. Then sir, these rain step on the basis of this I can take decision. Air quality real time, so that where the air quality is going bad.
I'm just telling Lokesh, as soon as we landed here, air quality is multiple times better than...
In the air quality I am monitoring. Industrial pollution or dust.
With ISRO, we have established AWARE, basically a kind of model-based weather prediction. So we do nowcasting also. Next 3 hours, all these things can be done. A 15-member team, top-level team from ISRO is working with us.
Even
So that is the analytics.
recognition,
You can see the analytics of it.
analytics, all these things were moving.
So we have red light violation. Already existing is around 5,500. We are putting another 14,000. So that is auto generated. We are linked it to the registration department database.
He is the guru for all these things. You know all the techniques, all technologies.
And 25 rupees a minute.
He brought it
40 paise.
for capacity and also less than 1,500 rupees. That is how scaling and also mega manufacturing, he brought down the That is how it has happened. So this is a keep on camera whenever that man is going for relative's house or tour.
People are able to convert vision into reality. So I think that seeing this, I frankly did not expect this. So I have to really congratulate you and your team. See, our view, sir, is that, in fact, is that we are looking at governance across the world. And we found one example in a country called Estonia.
Estonia is a small country.
If we look at what we have right now this week, right? The CTO of Estonia, the president is now retired. So I contacted him. So this CTO and the whole team that did Estonia, we have brought to Mumbai, and we will open an office, right? With virtually the same vision that you have. Quite a few, because it's a very small country. But relative to all, like, see, no country has actually achieved what you have shown, right? Including US. And one of our views in India really has to prosper in the next 20 years. What you are doing here, our opportunity by we combine and what the Internet of Things is nothing but the combination of the physical and the digital. And as all other countries will have to transit, if we can be born in this, then our view was that this actually becomes what manufacturing was to China in the 90s. So China grew because of manufacturing. We can really grow because of services. And services is, and both of us gave the same piece. Our Prime Minister used it a little bit in terms of, and I told him that, a lot of people talk about ease of doing business. My view is that it's too selfish, because ease of doing business is only for businessmen. And businessmen in interest with everybody will want ease for themselves. But I think that the real opportunity is for business to partner with government, really for ease of living of the citizens. And what you have really accomplished is ease of living of citizen also comes from ease of earning, ease of getting the right merit-based society. Ultimately, that will lead to happiness, and everything is going to move to services. So, after connectivity, our own we are researching. Now there's no need to research. I have seen it here, so maybe we made the wrong decision by trying to go to Estonia. We will send those people here, because we have now hired the full 10 people, and they have some clever solutions. See, I think that their first principles are, and you will also realize that the way you do this is you scale up, you scale across. That means you scale up as you've gone, you've covered all your people, right? You scale across all your 30 departments. That means you break the silos of your 30 departments. And then you build the ecosystem on the outcome. That means ultimately the citizen is at the center. And that is what in a small country they have done very well. So within this, right, the trend that we see is some of these big companies, and I'll tell you frankly because we are in a small group and I feel comfortable with you, right? The opportunity for India is really to build open source software. Right? The world is now moving from what we call proprietary. So Microsoft is proprietary software. In my view, that is not the new democratic world. The new world is where our young people, right, can take open source and create some of their own secret sauce, right? And if we can scale, because we have large number of people, so if you can actually deliver, and you are delivering it to your 4 crore people, right? The data from the people actually will make our system stronger, will make our algorithm stronger, because I've always said data is the new oil. So if you get data, so today you have data from your 4,000 cameras. Think about all the data that you get. Now at the back end, if you can use your algorithms, they make your service stronger. Right? And that is then exportable. So fundamentally, all the 178 or 180 countries, nobody has this. Everybody talks about it, but actually, even at this level, to think, and if we progress, we are, in my view, among all Indian states that we are looking at this frankly as a, we are also looking at it as a business opportunity. So as a business opportunity, this is a huge market. And you are, I would say, years ahead of everybody with having so much on the ground, and if you have 95% of the people covered, right? India is also ahead in terms of digital. So our view at Reliance and Jio is that this is really our chance for the next 10-20 years, that as the world transits to the 4th industrial revolution, right, our opportunity of everything as a service, and first doing it for our own people, and then exporting, right, instead of exporting. And my father used to say this very well. He has told you, but for the benefit of this group, he used to always drill into all of us that, we were so much like the British gave us many deficiencies. So the first deficiency that they gave us was that it was always divide and rule. Right? We never thought, like you thought through as an integrated. We thought as divide and rule. So fundamentally, all departments are separate. Right? Governments are organized, also departments are separate. Nobody really integrates the whole. In most of our companies, and at Reliance, we always say that it's important that we are integrated so that we focus on the outcome. So we always get rid of divide and rule. The second piece that they gave us was a mindset of saying that you are good enough to be clerks. So if anything else, you can be maximum head clerk, but you have to do mechanical, the same thing again and again, and that will be your comfort zone. He trained us, and I think this is what you are doing for this state, this new state of yours also, is to saying that everybody can be an innovator and an entrepreneur. Right? We have to put the confidence in our younger people. Right? At Hyderabad, you've done that. In terms that you can be an innovator. And he used to always joke that we got economic liberalization also. What did we do because of our psychology? We became actually clerks to the world. Right? When we said that we did all of this, when we did outsourcing and all, but our real time is to be entrepreneurial and to be innovative, which people from AP have done. And the third thing he used to say is that the British gave us the game of cricket. Right? And unfortunately, like the world to win, you have to play football. And what he meant by, he says, and he didn't like, now we won a cricket team, but he always said this cricket is a bad game. 5 din chalta hai. And fundamentally, whenever a bowler bowls, right, there are 11 people watching. And everybody, if you see psychology, right, all the 11 people will say, I would have done better. If the batsman bats, whatever shot you play, all the other 11 said, "Arey yaar, isne theek nahi mara, I could have done it." Whereas if you play football, right, everybody is just focused as one team. What you actually, and we say we have to meet this time frame, you have to hit the goal, and it doesn't matter. The guy who passes is more important than the guy who scores the goal. So, in a sense, I think as India, right, if we just follow his thing, and this is what you are doing in AP, like if we have one team and one outcome, this vision, if you implement it here, with your amount of back-end knowledge, actually, my own view is that you can do reverse, like in innovating mindset now, rather than asking central government, you can charge central government the technology fee. All the others saying that, like we want to sell to others. Our own business model is we learn from Estonia and sell to everybody else. You already have it. You do it yourself and you can charge all the other 28 states, कि चलो आपके लिए भी कर देता हूँ, pay me for it. And that's a completely new way, and I think that's the opportunity that you have. The other thing that I told Lokesh is that we firmly believe that ultimately, right, data belongs to the people. And one of the things that it is a natural resource, and the time is not far, right, whereby when all these people, all the 4 crore, 34 lakh people whose data you have got, right, as a state you will be in a unique opportunity, right, among maybe the first in the world, to saying that for use of your data, for passive use of your data, you get paid. So ideally, if we think about it, yes, right, we are making your algorithm more powerful. And essentially, you cannot get that for free. If you monetize my data by advertisement, you have to share something with me. And I think that the way the world is going, right, people will get paid for passive data. So, because you have the infrastructure, in Andhra Pradesh, you will be among the first in the world where people will get paid for it. Today, data is just, this is simple data where we are still using social data and news data, but think of your health. So the whole idea of saying that if I give my X-rays or MRIs, the ability for a machine to read an X-ray, and if you have 100,000 X-rays, then the algorithm becomes even that much more powerful for treatments, pathways, everything else, right? Agricultural data. And when you actually use that data, right, what we are generating for our citizens is the ability for them to get some money, into their pockets. And that is where at least we see the world changing. But we are going through it. I can only tell you that you are way ahead of everything that I have seen. Right? When you are described to me, that you will implement on the ground level so fast. Right? Even I think when Lokesh came to see me, I really have to say that this is, you must be proud, like this is not done right anywhere else. And I will send the Estonian team here for your team just to look at it and for them to understand. But I really think that if in the next year or two, if we mature this, you can charge all the 28 states and get royalty out of
intellectual property.
That's
thing now.
And the other piece, sir, is that what we also want to do is that we've always seen that, like in Hyderabad, right, all our people, particularly from the southern states, right, even in Mumbai, like whenever we have done any high technology work, you know that we've got most of our people from the southern states and Andhra in particular. In fact, this is the right time for us to encourage all our younger people, and we will put in venture cap, give them the opportunity to actually do open source. Because I think the other one thing that we need to champion is to really champion open source software. Because open source software makes the world a better place. Because just like that, nobody owns the software. It belongs to the people. And then you do a lot more good because everybody can add on to it. And people don't actually, these are all the same philosophy that you and my father talked about, that there is no point in delivering service at 20 rupees a minute.
Voice will be free.
Yes.
They will come per capita bandwidth consumption. Only on the basis of that, charges will be there. That is what you are doing now.
Absolutely.
20 years back, I started IT in a big way. Now in Silicon Valley, highest per capita income are Telugu.
Yes.
Not Jewish. Telugu.
And same, sir, being motivated by your vision, when we started reinvesting again, the total data consumption in India was 30 crore GB a month. We built, now the capacity that we built is about 500 crore GB. And we are, with the broadband that we are doing now across India, we are building a capacity of 10,000 crore GB. And our view is that this is just to give access. Even I think that where we can work together is that the cost really is in, as you would say also, the fiber is easy. It's termination of the electronics of the fiber, right? How do we bring the chip costs down? So some of the things that we want to do here. And when Lokesh brought your message to me, so I didn't want to come until I had firm news for you. So we've decided that both with Flextronics and we had decided, so we are going to come near Tirupati, building 1 million phones a day capacity in your state. And within that, we will then actually build the whole ecosystem. So this time we are not doing only, see, I think for us it is critical to build the whole chipset model. It is important to build the PC because this is now going to be core for the next 100 years.
Now we have to move IoT devices everywhere.
So we are building that very properly.
Now we are struggling. This is a new area. From the beginning I am a strong believer in technology. You have created a history. At least to my state I want to do something.
No, I think that this is the way for India. See, if we really have to go forward, right, and we can't do manufacturing. The world will not lead by exports. The world we can only lead by technology.
And this is today what earlier we had a very severe drought. No water supply. I'm very clear.
I have to just saying, sir, I have to just congratulate you and we wish you more power and
tomorrow I can talk video conference, all citizens from here. I can show the demonstration. Their income also I can talk to them. What
And
is
with
the
fiber
project?
connectivity, you can reach their home.
Yeah.
You can talk to them.
Oh.
They can talk to you.
Yeah, telemedicine, everything, education, everything, all contents will be available. And according to me, it is a very great, inspiring time, all of us. If you take technology and also go for in a big way, visualizing things, everything is possible to solve. Another, as I rightly mentioned, another 15 to maximum 15 years, that is India's time. We can do wonders. But only provided our people has to adopt this type of technologies. And as of today, everybody, every department is a silo. In government, what left hand is doing does not know right hand.
You have to break the British rules of my father.
Yeah. Now we have to break all these
All the silos.
all
Divide
silos
and
we have to
rule.
break and then bring them convergence. Comprehensive integration. It's a discussing thing. Then he told me, suppose you want to put a orange plant, what you will do? Then I told him, what is that, sir? It's not a great issue. Wherever there is orange gardens, I will see, then I will put a plant. Then he told me, I won't do like that. If I am in that position, first of all, I will grow nearly 2 lakh, 3 lakh acres of land, orange gardens. Then I will have a big factory. From there, I will have a pipeline to Bombay or Delhi. Everybody will have piped orange juice. Fresh juice you can have. That is the vision. That is what they have done. Gas from KG Basin to North India, Gujarat they have taken. Always mega mission and to execute it, same spirit. I am very happy what all he used to say, all these things Mukesh is implementing. I really appreciate it. He is a very, very big dreamer, not only dreamer, and then he will fight, he will do everything possible. There is a public benefit, citizen service. Because of his involvement in futuristic technology, especially IT, all these things, now he is changing total scenario and also cost of servicing, everything has come down drastically. Otherwise, earlier there is a monopoly, some of the companies. Now we broke all monopoly. Now everything is scaling and costing. This is where a very amazing experience.
Sir, our own view is that we want to work with all your team and your people to now solve some of the more difficult problems of it. So
Yeah.
we thought that, and it's a good thing that our own local people do that. Same thing we want to do and integrate the full, what you have been talking about, integrated to really from seed to the table, dining table. And with blockchain and everything, like we can really make sure that if I really look at this banana chip, I can figure out from which farm it is coming.
That's what I-
Whether it's organic, not organic,
Yes.
and get to a
Natural
quality
farming.
and essentially use the same thing for exports and everything. So we think that agriculture is a big piece where it's a difficult problem, but it, like you are growing at 23%, it can put a lot of money into the pocket of people.
It will grow minimum 35%. There is no problem at all.
Same is our view on education,
Yeah.
and same is our view on health. Because we think that in this piece, if we don't invest in education and don't invest in skills of our people, so a lot of limits. We will work with with everything that you have got. We have no, I am excited. So
Now
we work-
only you have to do value addition everywhere.
Yes.
If you can bring it and then we can make it a real. Next step again.
Absolutely. So not only will we do hardware in the state, we will also do software.
Software.
In terms of hardware, we have, like I didn't want to come and visit you until I can tell you that we are going to invest in. So that we are now excited.
Anybody wanted to?
Next presentation.
Yeah, we'll go there. You will have very happy.
Thank you for coming.
to hear from you.
Now next person, all nowhere near.
I want to do something for the state.
come, please come. So I have briefed here. Can we do 5 minutes because I want to talk to. No, no, huh? No, no, okay, 20 minutes max.
Oh, it's gone viral and everyone's calling us.
Positively or negatively?
Oh, this was my comments. I didn't realize that.
आपका जो ऑफर करता है वो भी वैसे you can see me doing all the signs on the side.
Oh,
Explain.
so my British story. No.
In terms of using technology, I come to it and dwell on it in a very small way. Then I come to the foundation part of it. It's not geo domain, but also through all the other initiatives we have been using. The data is very clear in front of you. One of the key things what we did, we were the first company among all the corporates to have set up our own office within the state of Andhra Pradesh. And today we directly employ 100 crores, which has been our gas pipeline, 300 crores through our petrol retail outlets, 3,800 crores in our retail initiatives. And that's still the tip of the iceberg. We still have a lot of work to do in Jio, and that's where I think we will, which can seamlessly transition to 5G. We are really seeking here ahead. In terms of the footprint, if you had percent of the landmass in the next couple of months, we are well on our way to achieving our target comfortably. Significantly, if you this is one thing, all the and not only that, one of my very senior colleagues, Matthew Woman, who had met you in October during one of the earlier CIS summits, probably United States because actually lacking finances and build this digital backbone, and he has done quite a bit in terms of wiring up most of the universities and the university Wi-Fi, also on the health space. And one to use our Giga Fiber as a test pilot. They have done multi-location in the country till today, the Vizag Zoo, which has happened only because of the support which we got from you. Mechanism for all the farmers. Today, GeoChat is having a lot of usage through a foundation where live data able to the foundation a little later specifically, and this is something which has been used and adapted at the grassroots which we've been doing. So one of the things where we will be, or what you have just taken a chairman through the e-governance.
Now creating the digital services post office. So fundamentally, if you build these kiosks, it generates employment, self-employment for 4,000 5,000. So this actually provides also immediate jobs straight away for all your 5,000. It is like the new PCU. So fundamentally on digital, so everything is done paperlessly. So if people want effectively, all your decondentially concepts we are rolling out across India.
In the G2C service, 4 towns where we don't have any players or connectivity, we are arms reach from need to the most needy of the customers, and we also remove, otherwise
it's an equivalent of taking ours, Amazon, Flipkart services to everybody, right? And doing it on an assisted basis. So now everybody, we use our own logistics. We give them insurance, give them banking, give them all the G2C.